Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be styling a t-shirt in 4 different ways, showing you step by step on how I develop each look. The t-shirt I'm styling today is by a local streetwear brand called Sweet Enemy Clothing, started by Drew Honda. It is dedicated to a loved one that he lost, Grandmother Rose, who had a passion for flowers and gardening. The sweetness of a rose is symbolic of beauty and love, and the thorns that come along with it is representative of the inevitable pain of losing that. The 4 looks incorporating this brand go from an outfit that's casual to something a little more dressy that can be worn on a night out. On to the outfits, starting with the most casual, I am wearing Free People overalls, and I decided to roll up the sleeves for a better fit. By lowering my left strap, I can expose the graphics of the t-shirt that says "Never Forget the Reason." As for shoes, I opted for some platform Oxfords by Alice and Olivia. Platforms always give the illusion of longer legs. I simply accessorized with 2 things. The first one is a Newsboy style hat that was part of my uniform of a Japanese restaurant that I used to work at. My second accessory to this outfit is a simple Forever 21 choker. I tend to carry a lot of things during the day, so I opted for something simple like a backpack that I thrifted from Savers Kalihi, and this one in particular is by Guess. And that concludes my first look. This look is edgy and comfortable with a very simple colorway. The lowered strap brings attention to the graphics and a focal point for viewers. Hope you like it, and on to the next. My next outfit is a little dressier than the last by incorporating a fashion piece for a dressy casual look. This skirt is by GoJane that I purchased years ago. It is asymmetrical and patterned with tie-dye. To bring more shape to my figure, I rolled up the sleeves and tied the shirt at my waist for a cropped look. From the way it's looking so far, I could go for a pair of black boots, but I wanted to dress it up, so I opted for a pair of platform wedges that I got from Charlotte Russe. These are very clog-like in style, mimicking wooden soles and metal screws that are typical of a traditional pair of clogs. The direction of my outfit was going bohemian, so I went along with it and added a silver floral choker that I bought from Forever 21 a few years ago. At this point, I was feeling festival vibes, so I decided to accessorize further with a hat. This one is a medium brim fedora that I purchased in downtown Honolulu at a store called Fighting Eel. Moving on to my bag choice, I wanted to continue on with this festival vibe, so I went with a bag with tassels on it. This one is from Peppermayo, which is a Aussie fast fashion brand, and I actually purchased this a few years ago. This one is very special because it's convertible and it can be styled into a little backpack, which I think is really great because versatility is key to sustainable closet. So if you can find a bag that can do this, I highly recommend getting it so you could get the most use out of your purchase. So that concludes my second outfit. It's casual yet dressy. I can easily dress it down with a change of my shoes with some boots or sandals. Hope you like this fit. Let's move on to the next. So for this outfit, I am incorporating a pair of shorts. These ones are plaid, and I actually don't remember where I got it from. I just know it's online. But I am going to give my body a little more shape by tucking it in on one side. As for shoes, I'm going for some thigh-high boots that I purchased from Nordstrom rack in Waikiki. By pairing thigh-high boots with shorts, I am only exposing a small portion of my legs, which brings sexuality into the outfit by only giving the viewer a snippet of my body, a sort of sexual mystery. I decided to wear a flat cap to add some sass and attitude to the entire outfit. This one is from Lids, and I chose a neutral color because it just goes great with black, white, and other neutral tones. To dress up my outfit more and add a pop of color, I opted for my orange Fendista purse that I bought secondhand off of a consignment app called The Luxury Closet. I was actually very skeptical from purchasing this, especially from an application that I've never purchased from, but luckily it actually came all the way to Hawaii, so I would definitely recommend it and purchase from the app again. So that concludes my third look. It's chic, it's sassy, and on to my next. This outfit is geared for a night out, so I opted for a skirt with silver hardware, something a little more eye-catching. This one is from IMGA and I absolutely love it. I am adding more shape into my figure by rolling up the sleeves and tucking in the shirt into the skirt. Onto the shoes, I went for some strappy heels to really solidify this look as something dressy for going out, and I'm accessorizing with a Forever 21 necklace that was gifted to me by my older sister. To conclude this look and add a pop of color, I opted for my orange diesel bag that also has silver hardware to match the skirt. The size of this bag is perfect to fit my Continental wallet and some extra makeup because we all need that touch up at some point of the night, right? So that concludes my very last look, serving you some city chic realness with a touch of edge for the night. So there you have it, all 4 looks incorporating the same t-shirt. Please check out Sweet Enemy Clothing, and thank you so much for staying all the way until the end. I really appreciate it, and let me know which one was your favorite outfit or least favorite outfit, and I'll see you in the next video.